What's going on, guys? Good morning. Taking a look this morning at the COREUM/Tether chart. This will be a daily chart, guys. Gate.io is the data provider here. It's been a while since we did a COREUM video. We're getting closer. We're actually 5 days away from the COREUM airdrop for the XRP holders. If we head over to the Sologenic website here, you can see this is Sologenic website, and scroll down a bit. So if we're referring to the XRP holders, the distribution is dated for May 15th. So that is 5 days from today, which is the 10th of May. So according to the Uphold platform, although the airdrop is dated for the 15th of May, I don't think that people who hold some XRP within the Uphold platform will actually visibly see that airdrop show up in their account on the 15th. They might, but I think it's up to Uphold to distribute that COREUM. So anyways, that's coming up. That's exciting. Let's head back to the charts. Take a look at what's going on here, as this thing has been in a free fall basically ever since the trading has gone live. We had a decent wedge up here from 27. Looks like it hit a high of give or take $1.30, and then on the day of, I think it was the day of the snapshots and something like that, or the day it was listed. I think it was more the day it was listed. I'm not positive. We saw some pretty good reversals, and we're down in the 20-cent range. So you might be asking, how much lower will this thing go? Well, actually, we have two levels on the chart that we're going to talk about. Be a pretty quick video here. So we have a level below the market at 21 cents. So based on some recent consolidation, we have a potential lower support level at 21.2. So that's 0.2120 or 21 cents. And we actually hit that yesterday pretty well. You could see yesterday's candle wicked down to that, found support, and came back up. Now, there's no guarantee we just rocket out of here, of course, although we could. There's no guarantee that that will happen. We found support there for a period of time, and then we just move on from there. So that period of time might only be a day, and then the price continues lower. This price does not look strong by any means. Now, we'll come back to this. Taking a look over at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin doesn't look good either. So it looks like if we did if I can get a horizontal line here on my chart. Give or take that, call it a neckline. This price looks like it's doing this at any time now, guys. It looks like the price wants to break to the downside, and this topping pattern wants to play out. These two bars are not very convincing for the bulls. Of course, could be wrong, and the price could move higher from here. It's not the way it's looking, though. It's looking like it's heading lower, and I've been talking about this level, the 26,000, 25,700 level. Yeah, 25,700 and then 26 basically on the money. So we could be in for a decent decline in Bitcoin and the rest of the markets. You know, that could be a 5 to 7% move there. So keep that in mind, guys. That's just the way the markets move. So if that took place, there's a good chance COREUM isn't just going to rocket out of here, finding support at its first level of 21. putting in a higher high and starting its uptrend, there's more of a chance that it breaks to the downside. Puts in another lower low, continuing this downtrend here. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this will be the fifth move to the downside. So below the market, putting aside our 21 cent level, we have a level of 14.7. It's 0.14700. That is our next major level of support for the price if it continues to head lower. And it's looking like it's just going to put in another, we have a lower high here that was put in on the 7th. Another lower low yesterday, and it looks like it's getting ready to put in another lower low at any time now. Might take place today. If we check our percentage on that move from where we're currently trading, which is 22.006, the 14.7 takes us down to a, give or take, a 32%, 30+% move, we'll call it, to the downside. So not the greatest, probably not what any of the COREUM holders, the future COREUM holders, want to hear, but that's just the reality, guys. I don't see a massive up move coming here anytime soon. This thing is still playing out to the downside, and it just needs to do that. Eventually, it'll find support, find a bottom, and either consolidate or it'll V-bottom and move higher. So we'll have to keep our eye on Bitcoin. Like I said, it looks like it wants to break lower. So far, we have support at 21.2. Doesn't look like it's going to hold for more than a day or so, and then we could be making our way. It could be slow, it could be fast, down to that 14.7. That's our next area of potential support. So, although I am excited to receive my COREUM tokens, so anybody who held XRP during the snapshot within the Uphold platform, whether it's 1 XRP or 100,000 XRP, you should qualify for a COREUM airdrop. And for that, for the Uphold on the 15th of May, for XRP holders, I should say. So we'll see when we get that. Maybe we'll get it on the 15th. Maybe it shows up a couple days or so later. And we'll have to see how this thing does long term. Keep your eye on Bitcoin, guys. We'll visit that chart real quick. Bitcoin, where's the Bitcoin chart? Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate all of the subscribers. Thanks, guys, very much. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're new, go ahead and introduce yourself down there. So as you can see, like I said, we got this neckline here. This price is just barely hanging on by a thread, in my opinion. And it looks like we're getting a break lower. And that price break to the downside, if it comes, is going to take us right down to 26,000, potentially lower to that 25.7, 25.760, 25.725, right in this area. There's a chance the price could even head lower into this area, which would be this 25, basically 25,000 on the money, represents this support area right here. So we'll have to just have some patience. This market doesn't look like it's ready to rocket, though. It looks like it's taking its time and rolling over and getting ready for that vicious red candle to the downside. So looking more like a bearish play here than a bullish play here. But like I said, patience, 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 guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Did you receive any COREUM? I got a comment from a viewer that they received some COREUM on a different wallet, not the Uphold platform, a different wallet. Obviously, the price is not doing well, but, long term, it should be much higher than where it's at now. But, markets go in cycles, and right now, things are not necessarily cycling to the upside. So, like I said, 21.2 is our first support level, which we hit yesterday perfectly and moved higher. And then below that is 14.7. Let's look at the 3-minute chart and show you how the price found support at that 21.2 level on the pullback. So we got the pullback yesterday, found support, and came in higher low and moved higher. But as I say, that support could be for a couple hours, it could be for a couple days, it could be for a couple months. It's just support for a period of time. There's no guarantee that that is the bottom and the market just rockets out of there. Although that does happen and can happen. But taking more than that, just the price level, and looking at this chart in general, this chart doesn't look like it's done making its moves to the downside. It looks like it wants to, however this plays out, head lower. 14.7 is the lowest target I have for potential support for the COREUM/Tether daily chart here on Gate.io. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck out there in these markets. Good luck in the stock market, the cryptocurrency market. All links are always down in the video description. A couple of free. We have a trade tracker down there, free. We have a market risk sheet that is also free. Any other links down there? Some are affiliate related. If you use them, thanks guys. Appreciate it. It does help support the channel. You guys have a good one. I'll catch you in the next video.